Melissa, it's another day in paradise right here. No rain, not a cloud in the sky, right?
That's exactly true. That's also true for this location behind me. Laura sent in today's weather picture. It's a beautiful spot. And if you know where in the world this is, you got to put your guesses in. I'll have that answer coming up here in just about 20 minutes. So get those guesses in. You can do that on Facebook. Send them to me on Twitter. Email works as well. And I'll have the answer coming up here a little bit later, again, just in about 20 minutes. Also, if you have a weather picture that you'd like to share, send that my direction as well. High temperature 86 degrees in Eugene yesterday, a little bit warmer for those of you in Corvallis at 88. Up in the Rose City, topped out at 81. It was back into the 90s as you head from Roseburg south toward Medford, back into the upper 90s as you head all the way over to the eastern side of the state. 98 in Ontario. They're going to be pushing into the triple digits there today. Head out to the coast, nice and comfortable, not bad. 60s and 70s, always the place you can go to get some relief from the heat this time of year. That high temperature of 86 degrees, that's 5 above average for this time of year and 10 below the record of 96. We've been that warm twice already this year. And the low 49 degrees, that's about average for this time of year. Obviously, no rainfall yesterday, no rainfall in well over a week. That deficit now up to 15.38 inches. Still the driest year that we've ever seen on record. I don't expect that to change unless we have an extremely wet fall. We have a few months before we have to worry about that. This morning, downtown, we're reporting just a little bit light fog. Temperatures are in the low 50s. Dew point not too far behind. The wind is calm, but the visibility, even with that light fog, is still at the full 10 miles. And you're seeing more fog as you head out toward the coast. Downtown Eugene, looking off to the east, that sun is up and going this morning. Clear skies overhead. A great start to this Tuesday here all across Oregon. It's high pressure that we have to thank for the clear skies. What happens with high pressure is the air descends from the higher levels of the atmosphere. As it does, it clears out the clouds, gives us sunshine, and of course brings in that heat as well. So that'll be the case today. As we head into the end of the week, we're actually going to see the exact opposite. A little trough of low pressure is going to move over western Oregon. What that's going to do is it's going to reinforce those clouds along the coast, the marine layer, and it's going to bring back onshore flow. So it'll bring back the clouds to all of western Oregon, bring in that marine air, which is a little bit cooler. So temperatures will drop back down closer to average. So the bottom line today, sunny and quite warm. Wednesday, I'm calling mild. It'll be the transition day, still low 80s. Then Thursday through Friday, we'll see a few morning clouds, cooler temperatures, still nothing to write home about there. Then we do warm right back up early next week with another ridge of high pressure. So for the coast, you'll be back into the upper 60s and low 70s. You'll burn through those clouds this morning. Pretty windy this afternoon, though. Gusts up to about 35 miles per hour. Still breezy on Wednesday. Highs will fall to the upper 60s, staying there all the way through Saturday, and then you'll get back into the low 70s with full sunshine returning Sunday and Monday. The Umpqua Basin, another warm one with highs back into the low 90s. Winds staying from the north there at 5 to 10 miles per hour. You'll drop to the upper 80s Wednesday, low 80s Thursday and Friday, and then again it's warm again next week, Sunday, Monday, right back up into the mid 90s. The Cascades also nice and warm, upper 70s. Great camping weather, hiking weather, biking weather. Down into the foothills, you'll be in the mid 80s today, not bad. Central Oregon, low to mid 90s for you. You'll also see that dip in temperatures here for the end of the week, as low as 80 by Friday, but then right back up to 90 by Monday. And for the Willamette Valley, our highs are going to be back into the upper 80s. Wouldn't be surprised if we see a 90 or 2 on the board. We'll continue to see those sunny skies overhead. Again, Wednesday's that transition day, falling to 86 degrees. Then it's to about 80 Thursday and Friday, and that's as cool as we get. It's right back up to 90 by early next week.
When was the last time we saw rain on a weekend?
It's been a while. Probably 3 weeks.
Yeah, a long time ago.